Good morning, guys. I'm here at this pickup from Niagara Falls in Plainfield, Indiana, and I've kind of been out of my element. After my delivery yesterday, that I lost a reload. I went to the truck stop and I was just kind of under the weather, tossing and turning all night, and not feeling so well. days off. And then something popped up from Elkhart, Indiana. I'll show you guys on the right side. And it's going to Danville, Illinois. And I was able to book it last minute. I guess somebody had it and they weren't able to make it and canceled it because I kept updating the load boards, and it popped up, and I was just kind of wondering because there was nothing available, and I just kept looking and looking to see, and there was a couple ones. There was XPO had one going to Valparaiso, Indiana, but I had to drive 140 miles to go get it. And I actually put a bid on it. I was like, give it to me for $750, and they countered offer. They had it for like $5 something, and then they countered offered like $10 more. And I just love it when you kind of spit in my face and you counter offered $10 more. And I was like, okay, I'm not touching it. I'm not that desperate, you know. Here, I'm loaded and I'm ready to go. I was thinking about going home, but the broker called me and told me that they want it delivered as soon as possible. So let me go call the wife and tell her maybe the bad news or the good news. So after about 3 hours of driving, I'm here to my second delivery of the day. I want to see if they're able to take me in. They're waiting for me. That's what they told me. But I've had that happen to me before, where they said they're waiting for me, and I get there and nobody's there. So we'll see what happens. And if I get this unloaded, it's gonna be a really nice day for me today. It'll make up for yesterday, where I lost a reload. So they took me in. So I'm having a double whammy day. 2 for the price of 1 today. 2 for the price of 2. That's right. I picked up, delivered, picked up, delivered. There you go. That makes up for yesterday where I didn't feel so well. Just like that, it's time for me to go shower. And then call it a hey day. Got a nice Pete parked next to mine. Let's go. Well, I never thought I would be doing this, but shower review. It's probably one of the cleanest showers I've seen. You know, a lot of space. You know, a lot of space. A lot of space. For handicap too. It's nice. Well, I'm back in the truck. I'm gonna grub on some dinner and go to sleep. See you tomorrow. Let's go. As I went to sleep and woke up, there's a lot of drama. What's happening over there? Look, guys, I keep my drama for my mama.